Hello, everybody. Good evening. How are you doing? Hello, hello. Hi, guys. How are you?
I'm fine, teacher. Thanks, and you?
Awesome, Calixta. Great. Thank you very much for asking, Calixta. I really
I'm
appreciate it.
fine, teacher, and you?
I am fine, Rubens. Welcome back. Nice to see you. Thank you very much for being here, guys. So, welcome once more to your English class. Okay, guys, so let's go. Okay, guys, we are going to start right away so that we can take advantage of the time. Okay, guys, so let's do this. Well, on Monday, right, guys, on Monday we were talking about the plurals and the singular. Remember, pretty much we were talking about regular plurals, how to make a noun plural, and also we discussed some irregular plurals, right? Which means that they don't follow the rules, right? They don't follow the rules, and we have to learn, right, guys, what is the plural of an irregular singular. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, guys, so with that being said, today we are going to start with an exercise. Okay, so bear with me a moment here. Just let me confirm over here real quick. Let's see. It should be here. That's it. Awesome, guys. So, as I mentioned, right, guys, we're going to start with an exercise, right, with a little worksheet so that you can keep on practicing. Okay, guys, keep on practicing, and pretty much we are going to practice and learn more regular and irregular plurals. Okay, so bear with me a moment here because I would like to. Let's see. I would like to. Uh-huh. It should be here. hmm There you go. Awesome, guys. So let me show you my screen so that you can have a better visual of what I'm referring to. So let's see. That's it. So this is the exercise. Okay, guys, this is the exercise. So here, as you can see, we have two sections. Section number one, pretty much we have to um, write, right, guys, the correct plural of the word. So for example, here I have some sentences, and between brackets I have a singular noun. What I have to do, guys, is that I have to fill the blank with the plural of that word. So for example, these are protesting against the president. So here I should write the plural of the noun in brackets, right? So I should say these people, okay? These people are protesting against the president, and so on. Okay, guys, I should complete these sentences by using the plural, okay, guys, the plural of the words in brackets. So that is part number one, okay, guys, or section number one. And section number two is just you writing down the correct form of the plural. Here we don't have sentences. The only thing that we have to do is to write the plural next to the singular. So for example, here the plural should be cities, right? That's it. So that's what I have to do. Okay, guys, that's what I have to do pretty much. I have to complete the singular, plural, and all of that so that I can confirm if I should use the rules that we learned, or if I am talking or dealing with an irregular plural, and I should either investigate a little more if this is a plural that it's regular or not, or pretty much what should I do, right, guys? Pretty much I have to investigate a little bit so that I can learn from that and confirm if I'm correct or not by following or not the rules. Okay, that's it. So once we are done, okay, once you have completed all the blank spaces and also here the plural nouns, All the way to the bottom, you see this option that says check answers. So when you check the answers, guys, if you got them correctly, what it's going to happen is that you are going to see it over here. It's going to be highlighted in and bolded in blue, and you will see a little check to the right side of it. Okay, so that means it is correct. Of course, as I didn't respond to the other sentences, I got an X, right? Which means that it's wrong, but it's, I mean, I didn't answer to the exercise. And here the same situation. If it's correct, okay guys, if the word is correct, if the plural is correct, I should see it bolded in blue and with a check to the right side of the word, okay guys, of the noun. So that's pretty much it, okay guys, that's the exercise, and we are going to practice. Okay, so make sure that if you are in doubt, okay, or if you are wondering if your answer is correct or not, try to look for it. Okay, guys, try to look on the internet and try to see, for example, what is the plural of sheep, right? Or something alike, so that you can investigate and use your resources at the best of your availability and take advantage of that. Okay, that's what we are going to do. So I'll share the link with you through WhatsApp and also through this chat, right, guys? Through the chat in the meeting. So, in the meeting, so that you can have access to it. So, bear with me a moment here. Done. And here on the chat here inside the meeting. Okay, that's it, guys. So, we are going to have 15 minutes, okay, guys? 15 minutes for you to complete the exercise. And after that, we are going to check them up, okay, guys? We are going to check them up and, well, determine if they are correct or not. If you have any questions, you are able to ask, right, guys? With no problem. And we are going to clarify any question that you may have, okay? That's it, guys. So let's go. Okay, guys. Oh, bear with me a moment. That's it. You should be able to start your exercise, and I'll put the timer on screen so that we have um, like a time stamp. So bear with me a moment here. And 15. That's it. So 15 minutes on the clock, guys. Please go ahead and complete the exercise that I shared with you through WhatsApp and also through the chat, okay? Let's go for it, guys. Alright, guys, so 15 minutes have gone by just to make sure. Are we good, guys, or do we need more time? Were you able to complete the exercise, guys? Yes. Okay, okay. So I'll get that as a yes. Okay, so bear with me a moment here. Aha. There you go, guys. Cool. So let's see. Jean Baptiste. Hello, Jean Baptiste. How are you? Mm-hmm. Eh, I cannot hear you, Jean Baptiste. I see that you unmuted yourself, but I cannot hear you at all. No, I can't. I can't hear you, Jean Baptiste. Could you try to leave and then join back in? Maybe that helps. Okay. No worries, guys. So let's continue, okay, guys? Let's go and complete or review the exercise, right? So I'll ask some of you to help me out to read the complete sentence and also give me your answer, right? That's it. So let's see. Let's see. Kenante, could you help me? Well, just bear with me a moment here because we already have this one. So let's go with number two. So Kenante, could you please help me out with sentence number two, please? Or let's see, Esperanza, do you have number two? Could you help me out, please?
S'il vous plaît, élève yo, di professeur pou mwen pa ka li paske kan telefon mwen a kraze li tout noir. Mwen pa ka we e tout bagay yo pou m li yo. Di sa pou mwen s'il vous plaît.
Hmm, okay. Uh, Sorry, Ganante, I do not understand. I do not understand. Okay, no worries. It's fine. Let's see, Esperanza, do you have sentence number two? Or let's see, Dawson? Or let's see.
Women. The women over there want to meet the manager.
Cool, that's it. Thank you very much. The women over there want to meet the manager. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Now let's see number three. Dawson, do you have it? Okay. Let's see on the chat. Kenante say, bear with me. Kenante said that she cannot read because her phone has a problem. Okay. No problem. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much, Hubert. I really appreciate that for communicating that to me, okay? I really, really appreciate it. Cool. So let's see. Rubens, do you have number three? Could you help me out, please?
I'm sorry, teacher. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, okay, no worries. Thank you very much. Let's see. Gladys, do you have number three?
My my children hate eating pasta.
That's it. My children hate eating pasta, right? That's it. My children hate eating pasta. Thank you very much, Gladys. I really appreciate it. So, yes, children is the plural of child, right? There you go. Now let's go with number four. Let's see, Hubert, could you help me out, please?
Feet.
Nice. Could you read the entire sentence, please?
I am ill. My feet hurt.
Hurt. That's it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. There you go. Now let's go with number five, guys. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go. Let's see. Well, I think we are going to start again. Let's see. Esperanza, could you help me out, please?
Muslims sacrifice chips in a religious celebrations called Eid Ada.
Uh-huh. Cool. That's it. Well, you said sheeps with an S?
Yes, chips.
Okay. Huh. Got you, huh? Well, it's without the S. Remember that sheep for the singular and the plural is without anything. It stays the same. Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
Of course, no worries. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's see number six then. Let's see. Eh, Hubert, could you help me out, please, with number six? Or let's see. Gladys, could you help me out with number six, please?
I'm calling my teeth their time and day.
Cool. Three times a day.
3 times a day.
That's it. Cool. Thank you very much. You got it, right? So the plural of tooth is teeth. There you go. Now let's go with number seven. Let's see. Uh, Rubens, could you help me out with this one, please? Okay. Or let's see. Dawson, could you help me out with number seven, please? What's the plural of student?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Dawson. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good. Thank you very much for asking. Go ahead. Go ahead. Uh-huh.
The studies.
Oh, the students. There you go. The students. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Could you read the entire sentence, please?
The student are doing the exercise right now.
Cool. Now, could you help me out, Dawson? Could you pronounce this student?
The students.
Oh, no, no. I would like to create the contrast. So could you pronounce the singular student?
Okay. The student.
Aha, and now the plural, the students.
The students.
Aha. There you go. Thank you very much, Dawson. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Now let's continue, okay? Let's see. Well, let's see. Calixte, do you have number 8 by any chance?
Yes,
Mm-hmm. Could you help me out, please?
the fish I book is in the fry
Fridged.
fridge.
There you go. Nice. So the fish I bought is in the fridge, right? That's the plural. Remember, fish is one of the irregular plurals, so it stays the same, just as sheep, right? Sheep, sheep, fish, fish. Okay, there you go. Now let's go with number 9. Let's see, Esperanza, could you help me out, please, with number 9?
Yes, teacher. They are sending some men to fix the roof.
Cool. That's it. So they are sending some men to fix the roof, right? There you go. So remember, the key here, guys, is the pronunciation, right? Man, men. Okay? It's very sharp. That's it. Now let's go with number 10. This is one that we haven't seen before, right, guys? So let's take a look if you could find which is the plural of this word and also its meaning, okay? Housewife. So let's see. Did anybody find the plural of this one, guys? What is the plural of housewife?
Housewife.
Cool. That's it. Now here, guys, it is misspelled, right, guys? You should be writing writing it like this: housewife. Uh, Most housewives work more than 10 hours a day at home, okay? So we should add an E, and this, I mean, it should be here as well, okay? Both should say house wife, like with an E, okay? That's it. So I'll write it over here as it is the correct answer, because we should write it like this: housewives, okay? That's the plural, okay? Now let's go with number 11, okay? Number 11. Let's see, Hubert, do you have number 11 by any chance?
Where did you put the knives?
Cool, the knives. Uh-huh. And the answer, do you have it? On the
On the shelves.
cool, on the shelves, right? And I have to change it. So that's it. Where did you put the knife? On the shelves, right? That's it. A shelf, guys, is this, okay? Is this place where you put things in a wall. Okay, that's it. So you are, for example, you have shelves that are completely in the wall, right, guys? Or it depends on how you see it, but all of these are shelves, like each one of the spaces, okay? Each one of the spaces is a shelf, okay? That's it. Let's go. That's it. Now let's go with number 12. Did anybody find the plural of this word, guys? Goose. Anybody? Goose. A goose is this. Is this animal. This is a goose. So what is the plural, guys? Do you know it? No? Right, no worries. Well, the plural of this word, guys, is geese. Okay? That's it. So geese is the plural. So it's more than one, right? That's the plural. Awesome. Now let's continue with number 13. What is the plural of piano, guys? You can open your mics.
Pianos.
Cool. That's it. Pianos. So pianos are expensive. Okay, guys? Pianos are expensive. It means that they cost a lot of money, right? expensive. Remember the adjectives. Now let's go with number 14. Okay, let's see. Dawson, could you help me out with number 14, please? Or hmm, Calixte, do you have number 14? Or let's see, Esperanza, do you have it?
Some policemen came to arrest him.
There you go. Some policemen came to arrest him, right? That's it. Cool. Now let's go with number 15. Where is my luggage? So luggage, guys, is this, okay? Is whenever you go and maybe go on a how is it, on a trip, right, guys? Or you are going to travel to another country, you usually have to pack luggage, right? So luggage, guys, is an irregular plural because it's going to stay the same. Okay, so luggage is the singular and luggage is the plural as well. Okay, there you go. So where is my luggage? In the car. Luggage, as you can see, is like one word referring to either one suitcase or more than one. So it's going to cover them both. Okay, it's going to cover them both. If I have just one or more than one. Okay, I can say luggage in general. So where is my luggage? In the car. Okay, there you go, guys. So we completed part number one, section number one of the exercise. Now let's go with part number two. Okay, guys, so here again we have more. Okay, guys, we have more plurals and singular. So I would like to determine, okay, guys, or make the foundations in the concepts, okay, guys, in the concepts that we just discussed on Monday. So let's see. City, well, I gave you the hint, right, guys, that, um, let's see, the plural is that, right? City, cities. Now let's go with house. What is the plural of house, guys?
Houses.
Nice. There you go. Houses. So this is a regular, right, guys? A regular plural, because I just have to add the S at the end of the word, and that's it, right? So this is regular, and this is also a regular, right? Because it follows the rule for nouns ending in y. So we're good so far. Now let's go with number three, guys. Let's see, what is the plural of boy?
Voices.
Okay,
Boys.
boys.
Boy.
There you go. So it's boys. Now here, guys, you may be wondering, okay, guys, you may be wondering why, if it is ending with a Y, I don't have to change it, right? Why? Well, I'll tell you why. Pretty much, guys, this is an specific case, okay, guys? This is an exception, let's say, that it's regular somehow. When we have a word that has only one syllable, boy is one syllable. Okay, guys? So because it has one syllable, I cannot apply the rule that we learned. Okay? It's different if I see city. City. Two syllables. Okay, guys? So two syllables, and I can apply that rule. But with boy, it's just one syllable. So here we have like an special, okay, guys, an special case or special scenario that we have to take under consideration. Okay, guys, that's it. So therefore, well, the plural of the word boy is boys. Okay, just like that. Just add the s. Okay, that's it. Now let's go with number four, family. What is the plural of family, guys?
families.
Cool. Families, right? And here, well, I do have to apply the rule. Family. Family. So three syllables. And I can apply the same rule as in city. Okay? So cities, families. That's it. Now let's go with life. What is the plural of life, guys?
Lives.
Aha, lives. Okay, there you go. So here I have to apply the, how is it? I have to apply the rule when they end in FE, which is pretty much add VES, right? So lives. Life, lives. Okay, there you go. Now let's go with number 6. Okay, photo. What is the plural of photo, guys? You can open your mics. Photo. No? Well, the plural for photo, guys, is photos. Just like that. Photos. Okay, I just have to add the S at the end of the word, and that is the plural. Okay, so no worries, no worries. Now let's go with phone. What is the plural of phone, guys?
Fun.
Aha. Phones. That's it. Phones. Okay, phones. Just like that. Regular. Okay, guys, regular. I just have to add the S and that's it. Okay. Now let's go with oh, bear with me a moment, guys. Let's go with number 8. Sandwich.
Sandwiches.
There you go. Sandwiches. Okay. So I have to apply the rule when they end in CH, right? So sandwiches. There you go, sandwiches. Now let's go with number 9, nurse. Do you remember what a nurse is, guys? Nurse is this. Okay, guys, this person that helps the medical staff, right, guys? Doctors, and they are in a hospital and all of that. So this is a nurse. Okay, they provide support to doctors, pretty much. So what is the plural of this, guys?
Nurses.
Uh-huh, nurses, right? So let's see here, nurses. Cool. There you go. Now let's go with elf. What is the plural of elf, guys?
Elf.
Hmm? Okay, okay.
Elf.
There you go. Elves, right? So we have to apply the rule when they end in F. So it should say elves, right? That's it. So let's continue. Let's go with phenomenon. Okay, guys, did you find the plural of phenomenon? This is an irregular plural.
Phenomenon.
Okay, could be, could be, could be. Any other idea, guys, or did you find something else? No? Okay, no worries. So this is an irregular plural, okay? So the plural of this word is phenomena. Okay, so let's get phenomena. Aha, phenomena. So that is the plural. Okay, guys, that is the plural. Phenomenon, guys, well, it's quite a challenge. Let's see. Okay, so phenomenon, well, is like this. It's something that is not um, ordinary. Okay, guys, it's not ordinary. It's not easy to experience somehow. Like it's quite like something that may be unbelievable at some point, but it's like something that happens when certain characteristics or certain aspects are covered or are present in a place or in how is it in a space, right, guys, or something like that. So for example, that's it. Okay, that's phenomenon. So phenomena is the plural. Okay, guys, is the plural of that. For example, a rainbow, it's a phenomenon because it has to how is it has to comply with certain aspects, right, guys, with certain aspects so that the rainbow show up. Okay, so that the rainbow shows up. So pretty much, guys, that's it, right? Phenomenon, and phenomena is like a bunch of rainbows at the same place, right? There you go. Now let's go with criterion. Okay, guys, criterion. This is also irregular. So did you find what is the plural of this one, guys?
Criterions.
Okay, could be, could be. Well, this is irregular. Okay, guys, so the plural is criteria. Same situation as here, right? Phenomena, criteria. That's it. So criterion, guys, is pretty much, guys, like things, right, guys? Things, well, this is seems to be like a brand, but the criterion, guys, is like all the, how is it? Is like the requirement somehow, yeah, like a requirement or like something that must be correct or that must be covered before doing something. And criteria is pretty much like all the rules, okay, all the requirements at the same place, okay. So that's it, that's criterion and that is criteria, okay. Now let's go with village. Village, do you know what a village is, guys? Village is this place where we see a lot of houses, okay, guys, and it is usually like a countryside neighborhood, right, guys? Like, yeah, a countryside situation in which you see a lot of houses and maybe in a mountain, right, guys? Like the structure and infrastructure is different from a city, okay? So this is a village. Now, what is the plural of village, guys? What do you think?
Village.
Okay, villages. There you go, villages. So village is the singular and villages is the plural. And now let's go with toy. Okay, what is the plural of toy, guys? Have you seen the movie of the how is it of the toys and all of that?
Toys.
Yes, toys, right?
Toys.
Cool. There you go. So yes, Toy Story, right? There you go. So here, guys, toy and toys is the same situation as boy and boys, okay, guys? As it is one syllable and it ends with Y, then this is why I don't have to change anything, just add the S to the end, okay? There you go, guys. So let's check this out, okay? Let's check this out and confirm if we got them all correct. So, yoo-hoo! We got it. Okay, guys, that's it. We did it. So we got them all correct. So here, guys, as you could see, we learn more. Okay, guys, we learn more irregular plurals such as luggage, right, guys? Such as geese, such as, for example, lives, right? What else? We also checked phenomena, criteria, right? Those are irregular plurals, and you have them now in your vocabulary. Okay, guys? So you have to use them. Okay, you have to use them. Now you know that, for example, we have also regular plurals such as elf that follow the rules, nurse that follow the rules, right, guys? Village. We have an exception or an special case with the monosyllables, which is toy, boy, right, guys? And more. So here, guys, the purpose of this exercise is that you learn more. Okay, guys, you learn and catch more words that have the plural in the regular form or if it's irregular. Okay, there you go. So with this, guys, do we have any question with this specifically, or are we good? We're good?
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah? Okay, nice. So bear with me a moment here. Okay, so with that being said, okay, guys, we are going to keep on moving. Okay, guys, we're going to continue with more. So the situation with the plurals and singulars, guys, is that well, they have to make sense. Okay, remember that the sentence, the expressions that we use and all of that, we have to apply everything that we have learned. Okay, guys, so far. So for example, if I am talking in singular, then I have to use the singular noun, and I have to use the singular of the verb to be, right? If I am talking in plural, then I have to use the plural noun and also the plural of the verb to be. Okay, guys, when the subject is not a subject pronoun. So this is why it has to match. Okay, guys, everything has to match because otherwise it might sound strange at some point, or we are going to how is it? We are going to be wondering if it's correct or not, if I'm talking in plural or if I'm talking in singular. No, right, guys? The purpose is again that you get familiarized with all of this. Okay, awesome, guys. So if there are no questions, then we are going to continue with another topic. Okay, guys, and that topic is this, which is, let's see, bum, 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 bum. There we go. So today, guys, we are learning something new. Okay, guys, we are learning something new. And we are going to learn this right now because it's somehow related to the nouns and plurals and singulars. Okay, there you go. So today we are going to learn about demonstrative adjectives. Okay, guys, demonstrative adjectives in English. So, oh, bear with me a moment here. There you go. So, demonstrative adjectives in English, guys. What are those? Okay, guys, let's talk about them. So, a demonstrative adjective, guys, pretty much point out specific people or things. Okay, so it depends the distance. Okay, guys, it depends on the distance where in which the object or the person is that I can use one or the other one. Okay, so we are going to talk about them today. So demonstrative adjectives again point out. Okay, guys, point out specific people or things. So here we have a little picture, right, guys, with the four demonstrative adjectives that we have here today. So let's take a look. When things are near, near means, as you can see here, the birds, right? They are near one to another. Okay, guys, they are near. It means that the distance between them is not a huge distance, right? It's not a huge distance. So they are near. They are almost together. Okay, so let's understand that as it is. Okay, now to express things that are near, I have this and these. Okay, So here, guys, be careful with the pronunciation. Okay, guys, be careful with the pronunciation because um, besides the writing that I can tell that they are different, the pronunciation is going to help me to understand if someone is using this one, okay, guys, or this one. So let me see. I can change this to the laser. Aha, there you go. So I can tell if someone is using this or this. Okay. So listen carefully to the pronunciation of these two when we are talking about things that are near. Okay. So here, guys, this. Okay. This. And here is these. Okay. Is how is it? It's like a very up E, right? These. So this, these. Okay, the pronunciation. Okay, pronunciation. So let's go. Let's see, Gladys, could you help me out to repeat this one, please? Well, both of them, but let's start with this one.
This,
Uh-huh, and this one?
this,
Okay, let's go again. This one is this.
this,
Uh-huh, and here, these.
the,
Uh-huh, these.
this,
Aha, it goes
this.
clean.
Okay.
There you go. Awesome. Thank you very much. Now let's see, Calixte, could you help me out, please? How do you pronounce this one?
This, this,
Okay, we're almost there. Let's see, this one. This.
this,
Aha. And the one below? These.
this, this.
Aha. There you go. So, this, these. Okay, that's it. Now let's see, Dawson. Could you help me out, please?
Yes, I can, teacher.
Go for it.
This,
Mhm.
this.
Ah, nice. Cool. There you go. Awesome. Thank you very much, Dawson. Now let's see, Esperanza. Could you help me out, please?
Uh, this, this,
Nice. Wonderful. There you go. Now let's see, Hubert. Could you help me out, please?
This, this,
Okay. Let's see. Here, let's do it like a graver note. For example, this.
this,
Aha. And here, these.
this.
There you go. Nice. Thank you very much, Hubert. Now let's see. Well, Kenante is missing the microphone. Let's see. Rubens, could you help me out, please?
this,
Uh-huh.
beef,
Nice. There you go. Fantastic. Now let's see. Jean Baptiste, could you help me out, please? I don't know if your microphone is working.
Yes, teacher, I
Ah,
can.
there you go. Cool. So go for it.
This, this.
Ah, nice. There you go. Cool. Perfect.
Right.
That's it, guys. So, well, again, we use both, okay, guys? We use both to refer to things that are near, okay? But how so? What is the difference then, right? What is the difference? Well, in order for me to explain the difference, okay, guys, I'll need to explain pretty much this, okay? So bear with me a moment. Let's say that I will use this to express that one thing is near something. So, for example, this remote is for my TV. It is near me. Okay, guys, it is near me. It means that the distance between the remote and me is not huge. Okay, but it's singular. I am referring to one object. Okay, guys, I'm referring to one object that is close to me, is near me. Okay? Now the other one, these, is when I am talking about more than one thing. For example, let me see if I have something here to use it as an example. Yes, there we go. So here I have, well, like two, let's say that there are two pens. Okay, guys, I know it is one pencil and one pen, but let's say that they are both pens. Okay, let's imagine. So here I am referring to both of them. I am referring to more than one. But again, the distance is very short. Okay, guys? So I can say these pens. Okay, so this is where I start using the plural. I am referring to more than one things, right, guys? Which is two pens, and they are close to me. So I would say these pens. Okay? If I have only one, then I should say this pen. Okay? Without the plural. So these pens, this pen. Okay? There you go. And they are near. Now, let's go with the other part. Okay, guys? When things are far. Okay? Where things or people are far. Then I should say that, those. Okay? That and those. And this is the same situation. If I am talking about one object or one person or a singular noun, then I should say that. For example, that is my car. Is far. Okay, guys, is far away. It means that the distance is longer. Okay, so I should say that is my car. Car, singular, but it is far. Okay, it is far from me. Now, if I am talking about more than one, I should say, for example, those are my siblings, for example. So, those are my siblings. Okay, I am using plural, those, plural, are, and plural, siblings. So everything has to match. Okay, guys, everything has to match. So this is how I use these demonstrative adjectives. Okay, something important about this, guys, is that it is going to depend on the perspective. For example, something can be near for me in under my perspective, but maybe for someone else is going to be far. It means that we're not going to concentrate so much in, okay, this might is this near me? Like, for example, if I have the computer right here, right? I have the computer. But if I have the computer, someone could say, well, that is your computer. But I should say, this is my computer. Okay? This is my computer because the distance, well, it's like one arm, right, guys? One arm of distance. But for me, it's near. So I can say this is my computer. But for someone else, that same distance could how is it? Could represent something that is very far. So because this is related, or it depends on the perspective of each person, we are not going to preoccupy that much of if this is near or not, of the of or if this is far or not. But of course that I cannot interchange. Okay, guys, it means that I cannot say that pen because I have it on my hand, right, guys? So this is obviously not far. So I would say this pen. Okay, so just for you to also take that under consideration, right, guys? That pretty much it depends on the perspective, but it has to make sense. Okay, guys, it has to make sense with the distance and the context and everything. Okay, so I can also refer to people. So for example, I can say this is my mom. Okay, this is my mom, and she is right next to me, for example, right? Or I can say, oh, look, that is my mom. Okay, if we are looking at my mom for a very far distance or like a considerable distance, I should say, oh, that is my mom. Singular. Okay, now I could say, these are my cousins. These are my cousins. It means, boom, more than one. Cousins, right? The plural. Or I can say, those are my cousins. Okay, those are my cousins. I'm talking about people, right? I'm talking about people. Okay, there you go. And also, let's be careful as well with the singulars that represent more than one. For example, family. Family is a word that has singular and plural, but the word itself represents more than one person. A family has to be how is it? Has to be builded by more than one person, right? So family, I am talking about maybe more than one person, but the noun is singular. So I can say that family, right? That family, singular. Or I can say those families. Okay, those families are waiting for an answer or something like that. Okay, so be careful with that, and this is why this is somehow connected to the plural and singular, because we have to pay attention to that, right, guys? We have to pay attention to if we are saying something that is near, something that if it's far, or even when I am talking, okay, guys, even when I am talking, I can refer to situations. Okay, I can refer to situations. Something, if I am experiencing something and it's very near in my life, I can say this. For example, this situation is wrong, right? A situation is not a thing, it's not an object, right? A situation is a moment, is a circumstance, right? Circumstance. Now I can say this situation because it's near me, I am living that situation. Or I can say that situation is wrong, I am not like involved in the situation, but I can say it, so I can say that situation is wrong. Okay, so you can use it like that as well. Okay, awesome, guys. And also, something important is that remember, when we use singular, we use the singular of the verb to be, is. So that is, this is. Okay, if I am talking with words or demonstrative adjectives that refer to the plural, then I should use the plural of the verb to be. These are, those are. Okay, there you go. So let's take a look to this, okay? Are these trees? Is that the sun? Okay, so are these trees? Let's say that I'm here, okay? Let me draw myself here and let me change the color. Let's go with blue. Let's say that I'm here. Boom, 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 boom. This is me. And I say, hey, look, are these trees? I don't know if you can say it. Oh, it moved. Why it moved? So I can say, oh, look, are these trees? Or I can say, oh, look, the distance is, whoa, so much longer, right? So I can say, oh, look, is that the sun, right? It is moving, but I'm referring to the sun, right? So is that the sun? Now here, okay, I am using the demonstrative adjectives. Okay, let's go with this one for example. Is this your house? Is this your house? Are those windows? Okay, are those windows? I am asking. Okay, guys, I am asking if they are or not. That's it. Something important as well, guys, with these two words. Boom. here with this and these. When you are talking or when you are hearing someone talking, it is possible that you can tell the difference. We are exaggerating the pronunciation here. When we did the exercise, these, we were exaggerating the pronunciation. But when you talk in spoken English, it is possible that the difference is not that noticeable. So pretty much what it's going to indicate if you are talking in plural or not is the noun itself, the noun and the verb to be. Okay, so don't be afraid if if by any chance you hear someone say this or these when referring to the singular, it's okay. But it is important that you try your best to identify that there is a difference, but it's not that noticeable. Okay, guys, we really have to pay attention so that we can notice the difference or the difference in the pronunciation. Okay, that's it, guys. So let's go with more examples here. We were talking about this, right? So is this your house? Are those windows, right? There you go. Let's go then with some exercises. So bear with me a moment here. Uh-huh. So let's see. Calixte, could you help me out to read this one, please? This slide. Or let's see. Um, Dawson, could you help me out to read this one, please? The slide. Or Hubert, could you help me out, please?
The bicycle is blue. This is used to point out something that is nearby.
Cool. There you go. Thank you very much. Now let's see, for example, well, in this case, as you can see, let's say that the hand, right, guys, is near the bicycle. So this bicycle is blue. This is used to point out something that is nearby. Okay, that's it. Now let's go with the next one. Let's see, bear with me a moment. Here. Which one should I use, guys? Is the hand near the dress or not? What do you say?
Dress.
Mm-hmm. Cool, but
This,
there you go. This, right? That is the adjective, the demonstrative adjective that I should use. This dress is blue. Okay? Now let's go with that. Let's see. Esperanza, could you help me out with this one, please?
That bicycle is red. That
Cool.
is used to point out something that is farther away.
Cool. Thank you very much. Oh, there you go. So, let's go with more examples. Let's see here. Ah, ding. That shirt is yellow, right? As you can see here, well, the distance, let's say that is like how is it like longer, right, guys? So let's go. Now let's continue with more. Let's see. Doo, 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 doo. With this, okay, guys, with this summary. Remember, for singular, I have this, which is referring to things that are near, that, which is referring to things that are far, okay? And for plural, if I am talking in plural, then I should use these for things that are near and those for things that are far. Okay, that's it. So now let's go with this exercise. Okay, now you have to help me to unscramble. Means to, well, pretty much to order the sentence. Okay, so here I have some words. What is the question, guys, that I should see here?
What is
What
that?
is that?
Cool. There you go. What is that? So let's see if I can change it. Oh, there you go. What is that? And the answer? How should I say it, guys?
That is my cat.
Nice. There you go. That is my cat. Okay, cool. Now let's go with another one. This one. What is the question here, guys?
What are those children? Children.
Okay, where are those children? Cool, there you go. Where are those children? And the answer?
The children are at school.
Nice. There you go. The children are at school. There you go. Well, those children, right? Those children are at school. Nice. Now let's go with another one. What is the question here, guys?
Are these apples fresh?
Nice. Are these apples fresh? Cool. And the answer?
Yes, these apples are fresh.
Cool. There you go. Yes, these apples are fresh, right? Awesome. Now let's go with another one.
That is your car.
Okay, could be, but I have to switch something because it's a question. Let's go back here. For example, bum bum, I have a switch, right? Are these apples fresh? So here,
That car is your.
okay, could be another one. Any other idea, guys?
You, that is a.
Okay, okay. Could be. Could be, guys. We are close. We are close to the answer. Let's go here, okay? Let's take this as an example, as the guide, okay? So here, are these apples fresh? Look at the answer. These apples are. So here there's a switch in the order, right? Here I have first the verb to be. So what is the verb to be here, guys? What is the verb to be?
Is.
Aha.
Is.
Cool. Is. Then I should
It's your that car.
um
Is that
uh-huh.
Is that your car?
Nice. Aha, there you go. Is that your car? Okay. Good job, guys. I really appreciate you. Okay, guys, I really appreciate the participation. So no worries. We are learning, okay? That's it. So is that your car? And well, the answer, let's try to arrange it.
No, that isn't my car.
Aha. Amazing. That's it. No, that isn't my car. Okay? There you go, guys. You are killing it. Okay? Nice. So we are going to stop here. Okay, guys? On Monday, we are going to keep on practicing on this. Okay? We have a lot of activities so that you can keep on practicing and also understand the structure and how. Because here, as you can see, guys, I am using affirmatives, for example, in the past exercise, right? Here I'm using affirmatives, right? I'm using yes or no questions. Here, for example, I have WH questions. I mean, I am using a lot of structures here. So we are going to see them detailed, okay, guys, more detailed in the next class, okay, guys. So on Monday, we are going to talk about that. And we are going to keep on practicing with more exercises, okay? So, with that being said, guys, I really appreciate you for being here. I hope that you have a great and amazing weekend and see you on Monday, okay, guys? God bless you all. Thank you very much and bye bye. Good night, everybody. Ciao.
Good night.
See
Bye.
you, teacher.
See you. Bye bye.